Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, family. This is the Velvet Locks with another wonderful detox drink for you today. Listen, this is not just any type of detox drink. This is a fat burning drink that's going to help you to lose 8 pounds of that belly fat in just 3 days. Yes, it's going to slim your belly down. You're going to see a difference in your abdominal area in 3 days. And we all know losing weight is 90% health as far as your eating habits and 10% exercise. Now, this recipe is extremely beneficial in order for you to have that perfect abdominal shape muscle. If you consume this drink daily, you can actually reshape your belly. So this is a homemade fat burning drink that is easy to prepare and it only takes a few minutes. Now, this mixture is going to work very fast and you'll be able to see the difference within 2 to 3 days. And the key to this wonderful drink is parsley. Now, the parsley is packed with vitamins that are crucial for proper digestion. The lemons, on the other hand, are highly beneficial for fat burning. And you can also substitute a whole lemon for a whole lime for those of you who don't like or can't get the lemons. Now, besides reshaping your belly, this mixture will also improve your metabolism. So, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna drink this drink fresh every day on an empty stomach for 5 days. In the mornings, when you wake up, prepare your drink and drink it. So you're gonna do this for 5 days straight. Then you're gonna take a break for 10 days. Then you're gonna restart again after the 10 days for another 5 days. So it's like intervals, okay, of drinking this drink. Don't drink it completely straight for 2 weeks. Do it exactly how I explained it to you and you will see results in your body. So let's get ready for the video. You're gonna need a handful of parsley, freshly washed parsley. You're also gonna need the juice of a whole lemon. You're also gonna need a half a cup of filtered water. And you're going to need a processor. So today I'm going to use my veggie bullet and I'm going to use the smoothie cup that comes with it. So let's start right now. All right. So to start this off, we're going to take our smoothie cup and we're going to put all of our parsley inside the smoothie cup. So now we have our spinach in our thing and we're going to blend it down. Okay, so you're just gonna have it minced a little bit. Okay, next we're gonna take our lemons, our whole lemons, and we're gonna juice our lemons. So we're just gonna squeeze the juices of our lemons inside our mixer. Okay, lastly, you're going to add a half a cup of water and put it inside your mixer. And then you're going to pop it back on your food processor and blend. Now you're just going to take your drink and you're going to pour it into your favorite cup and that's it. Refreshing and healthy. And as always, I like to drink my drinks with a straw. So that's it, you guys. A wonderful detox drink that is definitely going to slim you down, help you to lose all of that belly fat. And you drink this every morning consistently. So I'll have everything down at the bottom in the description bar. Okay, I'm not gonna lie and say it's good, but it's good for you. Okay. All right, you guys, don't forget, like, comment down below. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask and enjoy your drink. All right, and I will see you in the next video. Well, Welcome, family. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you again with a powerful announcement. Now, if some of you haven't visited my eBay store, you are definitely living under a rock because you are missing out on this organic fit and flat belly detox and energizer tonic. This tonic has been flying off the shelves. I've had to restock my inventory several times. This is powerful. I've used it myself. I'm still currently using it. And like I said, it works, okay? This tonic is going to help you to lose those inches. It's going to make you feel better. It's going to clean your blood, burn that body fat. It's going to flatten your tummy and remove that waste out of your body. This is also going to boost your metabolism. For those of you who are suffering from slow metabolism and cannot get that weight off, try this tonic. It's going to boost you up. This is going to detox and energize you, and it's also going to strengthen your colon because it's going to be squeaky clean. All right? Check down below in this video description for the links to my personal eBay store where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this powerful detox that specializes in removing waste out of your body and slimming you down. So if those of you who are really serious about your weight loss journey and need that extra boost, this is going to help you along with all the other wonderful teas and detoxes and smoothies I've been showing you throughout the year. All right, so go ahead, shop, check your girl out. I'm telling you, it's been flying off the shelves. This is my 4th time restocking this item, and I got plenty for everybody. So like I said again, y'all, check down below in this video for my eBay link for my personal store where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this firm and flat belly, and it's all organic, natural, 100%. All right, so I will see you down below.